most difficult part of working with us?
Oh my gosh, the learning curve. The learning curve. Like honestly, I felt like I was learning a new sport. Like, I don't know, when I was 25, I decided to learn tennis, and tennis was impossible for me. Okay, first month, full disclosure, we didn't need a racket for my lessons. Why? Because I had to learn to catch the ball. Like, I was that bad, okay? It was like throw the ball, catch the ball, fail. Throw the ball, catch the ball, right? And I was excited to learn new things, but gosh, it was humbling, and to go from the feeling of being in your business and knowing all the things, like if you want me to choreograph someone, I'm like, okay, blindfold me, pick me up at midnight, I got this. I don't, I'm ready to go because that's my jam. But stepping into the Remi world, I had to really humble myself, learn to ask questions, learn to pick up my pace of learning.